how to forward emails from one webmail account to another webmail account in cpanel. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. When we log into cpanel, this is the cpanel dashboard we see. Now click on the Forwarders option under the Email section. This will open the Email Forwarders page. Here, click on the Add Forwarder button. Now, in the Address to Forward field, type the username of the webmail account that you want to forward emails from. Next, select the correct domain to which the username is associated. Now, in the Forward to Email Address field, enter the full webmail account where you want to receive the forwarded emails. After entering everything correctly, click the Add Forwarder button. And done. Now, all emails received in this webmail account will be automatically copied and sent to the new forwarded webmail account as well. You can now see that the forwarded webmail account has been added in the Forwarders page. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.